Today's repair I'm showing on a set of self-aligning vertical blinds, which are very easy to come out of step, but also very easy to set back in line. This one was missing a stem and a comb gear. This is the same procedure for many other types of vertical blinds, just you won't have the little nub on the end of the stem. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Okay, I got a vertical blind, set of vertical blinds missing the gear, missing the little comb gear, which is right here, and also missing the little piece right here, the stem. What you do is rotate your blinds so that everything is the same way and flat. So you would use the wand to turn your blind so that everything is this way. It's got the larger tab at the back. It's got the little nub sticking out. And what you're going to do is take these two and put them together. And you're going to use that to insert up and in into the carrier, to the deal. All right, now if it was still sticking out, which like this one is sticking out on the left side, what you're going to do is carefully rotate your wand the way that you want the deal to go. This one we want it to go in. If we rotate it this way, it's going to shoot the little comb gear back out. But if we rotate it that way, it's going to draw it in. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to draw this puppy in. You'll see it pop in. There it is. And it's in. Now we're in, and we'll check for our rotation. Everything's good there. It looks like it popped out of one step, but we can turn it back one more. And now we're all fixed. This is a self-aligning wand. And this one's got a couple corners bent. But now we can just put our deals back in there. I've gone ahead and unbent those corners. Let's see, and these were actually, we got to get the curve the same way as the rest of them, so matching that up. There we go. And I just need one more slat for here. I brought some extra ones with me. And now the blinds are all fixed. Wanted to give a little bit closer view on that and thought of a better way to do it. So there we go. Blinds all fixed. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
There's a coming day when all this will fly.